I'm on Highway 30 just to the east of Kimball, Nebraska, in the Nebraska Panhandle, as a historic blizzard continues to rage out here with winds gusting 60 to 70 miles an hour in the wraparound. All of the major roads out here are closed, including Interstate 80, Interstate 70, Interstate 76, across northeast Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, through the Nebraska Panhandle. And the snow continues to come down at an astounding rate, 1, 2, 3 inches per hour. Thunder snow has been reported out here so far. People stranded in their vehicles across northeast Colorado from Cheyenne east, but those roads were closed very early. This blizzard was anticipated well by meteorologists, and they certainly prepared, closed down the roads and prevented motorists from getting stranded, at least up here on Interstate 80. It is a different story over across parts of Interstate 70 further south, but these winds just continue to rip out here with a pressure gradient, very strong pressure gradient, tight pressure gradient on the northwest side of this system that has intensified to about 970 millibars, setting a record as the deepest low pressure system to really ever develop in the high plains since about 1950. And the impacts are going to be substantial out here, with drifts likely being measured feet deep, probably 10 feet deep out here, because there is absolutely nothing to stop the wind across the high plains. And it is certainly dangerous out here to travel. You want to stay indoors. If you are heading west on I-70 or I-80 or I-76 toward the blizzard warning area, you want to change your plans, because it is absolutely dangerous, about as dangerous as it gets in terms of winter travel out here.